moment around 8:30 last night. The hurricane moved its way onshore, the eye passing right over the Sarasota area, a little bit farther south than was initially forecast. Remember yesterday I said there's about a 65-kilometer range of error that it could deviate, and it did, moving southward, which put Tampa right into the highest rainfall. The areas to the south seeing the highest storm surge. So this is where we'll be watching for all that water moving on shore yesterday. It'll have receded at this point, but right around sunrise, we'll get a really good picture. Some of the highest intensity rainfall in that eye wall. Now you can see the track taking it all the way back into the Gulf of Mexico. That's where it moved its way eastward. Now Category 1, we're still seeing those hurricane warnings in areas on the east coast now for Daytona Beach. The wind gusts up to about 128 kilometers an hour.